If you want to sync your data in Epic Games quickly and make sure your progress is saved across devices, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is especially useful if you play on more than one PC, reinstall games often, or just want the peace of mind that your game data is backed up properly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once it's open, log into the account that you use for your games. Make sure you're signing into the correct account because Cloud Sync only works properly when you're in the right profile. After you're signed in, look for the settings option inside the launcher. You'll usually find it in the menu or in the launcher's main interface, depending on your setup. Click Settings to open the available launcher options. Now scroll through the settings until you find Cloud Saves. This is the feature that allows Epic Games to store and sync your data online. Once you see it, enable Cloud Saves. Turning this on tells Epic Games to keep your compatible game progress saved and synced across supported devices. After you've enabled it, your data will begin syncing automatically whenever the game and launcher support Cloud Save functionality. This means if you switch to another device later, or if you reinstall a game, your saved data should be available when you log back in. It's a simple step, but it can save you a lot of frustration if you ever lose local files or change computers. If you don't see your changes right away, give it a moment and make sure your internet connection is stable because cloud syncing depends on a working connection. Also remember that not every game handles cloud saves the same way, so it's a good idea to check the game itself if you're trying to confirm synchronization for a specific title. But in most cases, once cloud saves are enabled in Epic Games Launcher, your data will be saved and synced automatically. And that's it! You've now learned how to sync data in Epic Games in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.